All right, everybody, I'm testing out a new Hobart 500i plasma cutter. This machine is just, it's a plasma cutter, it's straightforward. It's made for cutting through steel, aluminum, whatever you want. That's the welder I picked up there. But the reason I got a plasma cutter is because I'm going to do a suspension modification on the Firebird. And here's the original suspension shock and spring mount. And the modification I'm going to do in order to install a coilover setup is cut right along this line and actually remove this entire section of steel here. This looks like to be about 1/8 inch. Yeah, it looks to be about 1/8 inch steel. So the plasma cutter can get through that with no problem. That's a big piece of looks like 1/4 inch, maybe it's 1/2 inch. No, that's 1/4 inch, I think. That looks pretty thick. But so I'm going to try to cut through this with one hand, holding the plasma cutter with one hand, which is very difficult to do. But you really need two hands so you can hold it the right distance from the steel and hold it steady. So I might not do a very good cut, but don't let that represent the power of this plasma cutter. All right, here it goes. Okay, I'm going to try to do this with one hand, holding the camera with a welding mask on. That's steel. That is now that's one-handed, so it's a little shaky, but that is an amazing. That's an amazing tool. I mean, it cuts steel right in half like butter.